warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I am fine too, and I hope you will always in good condition every day and ever. Now, before we start the material, we can pray together. Pray begin. Thank you. And before we start the material also, I will check the attendance who is absent today. And when I call your name, you can raise your hand. And if there is no someone that not attend this class, you can say the reason, sick or other. Okay. Lutfia Yuharofida. Okay. Rosi. Andre. Okay. Okay. Nisaul? Sick. Okay. Berliana? Okay. Hadi? Okay. Elfrida? Okay. Vina? Okay. Camila? Okay. Aulivian? Lova? Okay. Ahmada? Okay. Imam Ma'arif? Oke, Ulul? Oke, Marcella? Oke, Fauzan? Iftia? Wanda? Okay, there are many students that sick today. I hope they will be in good condition as soon as possible. Now, we will learn about descriptive text. Before we learn about descriptive text, I will show you some picture. Do you know the name of this place?
Yes, I know.
Okay, sorry. The first picture? Okay, and then the second? And then this is? No. Okay, Camila and Rosie is right. Do you ever go to there? When you go to there?
I'm at school to study tour.
Okay, that is so interesting. You ever go to there, so you know the characteristic of the place, right? Yes. Okay. Later you can describe that in descriptive text. There are some picture again. This is the first picture. And the second?
Menara Pisa.
Yes. Where is Menara Pisa?
Itali.
Of course. Right. No. Pisa Tower is the Pisa city, not in Roma. And then this is the name of pyramid?
Piramid Giza.
Yes, of course, Rosie. That is correct. Do you ever go to there? No. Are you? Oh yes. Are you have a desire to go to there? Do you want to go to there someday? Okay. I will pray to that. Okay. And now we go to the definition of descriptive text. Before I explain to you, do you have an opinion with your own word? You can raise your hand. What is descriptive text with your own opinion? Iftia, maybe?
In my opinion,
Yes.
descriptive text is a text that describe something.
Yes. Only something or there are anything?
I think so.
Okay. Iftia answer is correct, but we can explain about people and then animal and then place and then thing. This is so widely, but in this explanation we focus on the form of place and then nature characteristic and then amount or other. But in this chapter we focus on particular place and historical building. Particular place is like mosque and park, but historical building is like pyramid Giza Pyramid, and then Lawang Sewu, and other. We focus that. Maybe you ever learn about this in senior high school. Okay, now we go to the structure. There are only two structures of descriptive tag. The first is identification. The second is description. Identification is the introduction. There is what is the name of the place, and then where is the location, and then who is the architect or who is the inventor, and then when the place is built, like that. You can put that in identification, that is general information. And then description. This is contain characteristic, and then nature, and then how we can go to there, the way we go to there. You can tell that in description. We can also explain about ada apa aja di sana. Kita juga bisa menjelaskan dengan di description-nya. Seperti itu. Then there are language feature of descriptive tag. Specific participant. What is the meaning specific participant? The meaning is we must choose the place. Choose maybe Borobudur Temple. Not only temple in the general, but Mas Borobudur Temple. And then like beach. Not only beach, but Pasir Putih Beach. That must be specific. Because if we not specific, that is explanation tag, not descriptive tag. Okay, and then use the adjective. This is to describe the characteristic of the tag. You can use a beautiful beach, a wonderful beach, a awesome beach, and other. And then use the adverb. This is also show the characteristic. We can use a quite, very, extremely, or other. And this is the important. The use of simple present tense. Why we use simple present tense? Because descriptive tag is explain something that fake atau menjelaskan sesuatu yang fakta. Makanya harus menggunakan simple present tense. I will explain about simple present tense later. And then the use of passive voice, like Taj Mahal was constructed by Mughal Emperor. Taj Mahal dibangun oleh Kekaisaran Mughal, seperti itu. Jadi subjeknya di akhir. Ini sering kita temui di descriptive text seperti itu. And the last, the use of action verb. Ketika kita menjelaskan gimana caranya kita pergi ke sana, tentu ada berlari, kemudian berjalan, dan sebagainya. Itu menunjukkan bahwa aktivitas itu benar-benar kita lakukan dengan sengaja. Tapi kalau melihat itu bukan action verb. Melihat itu meskipun kita nggak sengaja melihat, kita tetap bisa melihat, seperti itu. Selanjutnya, ini adalah alasan, this is the reason why we use simple present. The reason is because tell fact from the object being described, menjelaskan tentang fakta yang akan dideskripsikan, seperti itu. You ever learn about simple present tense in the senior high school, right?
Yes.
Okay. The formula, the first is subject, and then verb one, of course, and then the object or complement. Okay. I think you understand about this. We go to. This is the example. Can you analysis what is something that show this is simple present tense in the first sentence? What is apa yang menunjukkan bahwa itu simple present tense? Can you show? You can raise your hand. Yes, Camila.
Use part one.
Yes. Other thing maybe. This is. There are clue here. Yes, Michelle, correct. What's it? The characteristic is sounds because Lembah Pelangi is only one, so we use as here. Sounds unfamiliar for either local or foreign tourists. This is simple present tense. Okay, we go to next slide. This is nominal simple present tense. I think you even know before, subject and then to be and then complement. If nominal simple present tense, there is s or es. This is just subject, to be, and complement. And this is the example. Can you analysis the first sentence? Where is something that show that is simple present tense? You can raise your hand. Mana yang menunjukkan bahwa kalimat ini simple present tense loh? Maybe yes, Camilla?
The access is subject.
Yes.
Is to be.
Yes.
And quiet is complement.
Okay, right. The Camilla say is correct. This is show that the sentence is simple present tense. Now I give you example of descriptive text. The title is Taj Mahal. You can read. You can read for a moment. Finish? Okay. Now I want to ask to you in identification. Where is the sentence that show the location of this text? In identification. You know?
The second sentence.
Yes. You can read the sentence.
Standing peacefully on the banks of river Yamuna.
Yes, that is correct, Camilla. This is show the location. That is suitable with something that I said before. If identification is contained for the name and then where is the location, when the place is built, and then who is the architect. The architect is, maybe Shahjahan. Okay. And now, after I show you one example of the text, I will divide you to some group. Okay. Now you can stand up, please. And you can count. You can count one and two. 1, 2 like this after finish. Okay, start with 1.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Okay, move up. You can make a circle with your group. Okay. Okay. Okay, please attention. I will give you 2 assignments today. Before you do your assignment, you can look this. This is information book that contains some information about some place, and you can use this to make a story. The first, you can make an outline about descriptive text. The outline is only where is the location, what is the name, and then who is the architect. You can only write a sentence, not a paragraph. And the second is draft. You can develop your outline into a short paragraph, only short paragraph, not a long paragraph. Because in the next week, I will give you other assignment to finish your work. So today, that is your task. The first is outline. The second, draft. Yes. Okay. I will give you time 20 minutes to do this, and later your delegation from your group can come forward. Only one person. Okay. This is for you. This is for you. Okay. If you find a difficulties, you can ask to me. Please be active. Okay. What is the place that you want to?
Istiqlal Mosque,
Okay, why you choose this place?
because it is the church's place. Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can do your work. You are welcome. Yes. You may later you can write only this.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I'm sorry if the not clearly. Okay. Why you choose Borobudur Temple?
Because we ever visit this
Oh.
place and
So you more you know about that.
yes.
Okay. And you find a difficulties? Okay. Please prepare someone who come forward to read. Okay. Okay. Okay, time is up. Are you half done to do your work?
Yes.
Okay, I'm so happy because you're so active. Okay, now you can go forward. Maybe the first group can go forward to read the text. Yang dibaca. Okay.
Okay, I will read the draft of my book.
Okay.
The title is Istiqlal Mosque.
Yes.
Istiqlal Mosque is the largest mosque in Indonesia and Southeast Asia. It is located in Jakarta, Indonesia. It was built on 1955 by the
Okay.
architect
Frederick.
Frederick Silaban. As we know, more than 200 people can congregate at the mosque at the same time. The rectangular main prayer hall with is covered by 45-meter diameter central spherical dome. The dome is supported by 12 round columns, and the prayer hall is surrounded by rectangular piers carrying 4 levels of balcony.
Okay.
Staircase at the corners of the building give access to all floors. The latter structure is directly connected to arcades which run around the large courtyard. The mosque provides facilities for social and cultural activities, including lectures, exhibitions, seminars, conferences, bazaars, and programs for women, young people, and children.
Okay. Why you choose Istiqlal Mosque?
Because it is the church's mosque in Jakarta.
Do you ever go to there?
No, I don't see.
Okay. And our Istiqlal Mosque is just a mosque, or can to be a place of exhibition, seminar?
Yes.
Okay.
The mosque can be placed there. held of event.
So completely pleasure.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for group 1. We can give applause. Oh, I rather forget. This is the reward for good one.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, the second group can come forward. Okay. Yes. Okay.
I will read our
Draft.
draft. The title is Borobudur Temple. Borobudur is a Buddhist temple. It was built on 778 by Sailendra dynasty.
Yes.
The architect is Gunadarma. It is located in Magelang, Central Java. The temple is constructed on a hill 46 meters high and consists of 8 slabs like stone terrace. It also has 123 metal planks. The first 5 terraces are square and surrounded by walls adorned with Buddhist sculpture in bas relief. The upper 3 are circular. Each of them is with a circle of bell-shaped stupa. The entire upper structure is surrounded by a large stupa and the center of the top circle. The design of Borobudur symbolizes the conception of universe in Buddhist cosmology. It is believed that the universe is divided into 3 spiritual spheres: Kamadhatu, Rupadhatu, and Aspadhatu. And then Borobudur Temple, which is
Skip.
as Indonesian monument in 1983, is a valuable treasure for Indonesian people. With its magnificent size and architecture, no wonder that Borobudur Temple includes 7 wonders of the world.
Okay. Can other group give comment to this group? Maybe already good or other? Yes?
Why you choose that place?
Because this is one of the famous places in Central Java.
Okay. And if you go to there, alright. What is something that you remember when go to there?
The view from the upper building.
Oh, so wonderful.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, this applause. Okay, class. The presentation of group is so wonderful. I'm so happy, and now I will ask to you again. What is descriptive tag? You can raise your hand. Okay, Rosie.
Descriptive text is the text that describes something, place, or people.
Okay, the Rosie answer is correct. Descriptive text is one text that describe or explain something, person, animal, place, and anything. Descriptive text has 2 structure. The first is identification. The second, description. Okay, and then the language feature was specific theme. And then what is the tenses that used in descriptive text? Yes, simple present. And then use passive voice, right?
Yes.
And then there are adjective and adverb. Okay, I'm so happy for today. And next week, you can develop your draft into a final result. And you can submit your work, every group to me. And I will be waiting for that. And my message for you is still healthy and still happy. And we can, before we end the discussion today, we can pray together. Pray begin. Thank you. And I'm so sorry if there is mistake that I say today. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon.